Hi friends, let me show you this smart PTZ indoor camera that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, you get the actual camera with some mounting accessories. Let me show you. This one is aimed for installation like this. You can screw this in the ceiling, in a wall, in a furniture, whatever you want. You get this charging accessory. Want to plug it to the wall, okay? It's not rechargeable. It has to be connected to work, okay? You can put an SD card here if you want in the bottom. If you want the camera to save in an SD card whatever is happening, you get the user manual, okay? What you have to do is to install an app in your phone, this one, Map View. Now we have our camera set up, and anytime we want to use it, we just go to our app and we can see the full image. Remember, this is a PTZ, so we can move around the camera. Has a really nice definition. If you need a camera, it can take pictures. You can talk through it. Hi. It can film. It can save filming, not only pictures, but actual films. Here it is. It has movement detection, and you can see your pictures in the and videos in the album. Okay, so this is a nice camera, really easy to set up, really nice to the view. If you install it as you should, it will be really, really nice. Small size but big service. Perfect. Thank you.